Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off two-step verification on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the two-step verification on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're already logged into your account. And with that being said guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon. And over here again you can see on this panel there is the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings just below the saved messages, and over here you can see the privacy and security option available for us over here just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security, and over here you can see the two-step verification option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on the two-step verification, and over here on this interface guys you'll be required to enter the password of your two-step verification. Let's do that. And after entering your password, tap on the blue arrow icon at the right side of the screen. And over here guys you can see there is the disable password option available for us just below the change password. Tap on the disable password option available for us, and the moment you tap on the disable option over here on this menu, your two-step verification on Telegram will be turned off or disabled. And there guys, this is how to turn off a two-step verification on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.